In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a voting poll in Google Forms. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. By the end of our session here, you'll have a clean, shareable poll that's ready for responses. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open your browser. Once you're there, head over to Google Drive. It's important to make sure you're signed in to your Google account. This way, all the hard work you put into your poll will be saved automatically, so you won't have to worry about losing any of that progress. Once you're in Google Drive, look up at the top left corner of the page and you'll see a button that says New. Go ahead and click on that. From the menu that appears, select Google Forms. If you see multiple versions of Google Forms, make sure you pick the standard Google Forms option and not a quiz template, as we're aiming for a straightforward poll here. Now you'll be taken to the Forms landing page. To start with a blank slate, go ahead and select Blank Form. This will allow you to begin from scratch and avoid any pre-filled content that might complicate things unnecessarily. At the top of your new form, you'll want to give it a clear, descriptive title. Think about what the purpose of your poll is and express that succinctly in a few words. Adding a short description right beneath the title is also a great idea. This can provide your voters with some helpful context or explain any rules they need to be aware of. Keeping the title concise will also help make the link to your poll look neat when it's shared via email or social media. Now it's time to create your first question. In the question field, type out exactly what you want people to vote on. Make sure the question is focused and clear. For example, you might ask something like, "Which option should we choose?" or "Vote for your favorite design." Keeping it simple will encourage more responses because people won't have to spend too long figuring out what you want from them. On the right side of the question field, you'll notice a menu where you can change the question type. Click on that menu and select the option for multiple choice. This is a great format because it ensures that each voter selects exactly one option, which is ideal for straightforward polls. Once you've done that, begin to add your voting options one by one. As you do this, aim for choices that are clear and mutually exclusive. You want to avoid any overlap that could confuse voters. If you'd like to allow room for write-in suggestions, consider adding an Other option. This can let people type in their own custom answers if they feel none of the available choices fit their preferences. Also, try to keep your phrasing consistent and succinct, which will make the poll much easier for voters to scan through. Before you share anything, let's take a moment to click on the Preview button at the top of the page. This will open your poll in a new tab exactly as respondents will see it. Go ahead and try selecting an option to see how it looks. It's a good idea to check that everything appears correctly on both desktop and mobile views. If you find that something feels off or looks strange, don't hesitate to close the preview and go back to the editor to tweak the wording or options. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you'll want to click the Publish or Send button at the top right corner to prepare your poll for sharing. In the sharing dialog that pops up, opt to copy the responder link. This will give you a unique URL that anyone with the link can use to vote. Click on Copy, and it will place that link on your clipboard. Now that you've got your link, you can paste it wherever your audience is, be it via email, chat, a website, or even on social media. If you want a cleaner looking link, there are options available to shorten it or even generate a QR code before sharing. And just like that, you've created a polished voting poll using Google Forms. Once you've tested it, published it, copied the link, and sent it out, you're all set. Happy polling!